Lot number 147 is a 2004 Bluebird All-American 72 passenger school bus. This one appears to have electrical issues. It's got 3 dead batteries. I put my jump box to it, and when I hit the ignition up here, all the lights come on the dashboard, but it does nothing. Doesn't sound right. And then when you hit the key, nothing happens. So it might be an electrical issue. There may be more serious problems than that. It's being sold as is. Mechanical condition is unknown. The interior looks dirty and moldy. Look at the steering wheel. Let me show you the miles. 101,000 miles. Driver's seat shows normal wear and tear. The interior appears to be complete and in good condition, but it's very dirty and moldy inside. So it will need a good cleaning. Let me show you outside. The body is pretty straight. The paint is faded. Passenger side's got some very minor scrapes. Normal wear and tear, dings and dents. But overall, the body looks straight. I got all my jump boxes connected here. Still was not able to get it to turn over. It seems like an electrical issue. Engine appears to be complete. This one has 101,000 miles. There's the driver's side, looks straight. The tires look worn, but they all hold air. All right, and there you have it. Mechanical condition is unknown. This one needs to be towed out of here. No mechanical work will be allowed on site. It's lot number 147. Good luck.